I'm so tired of looking like I've been signed to death row in the morning, so I need to create a no foundation makeup routine that's quick, handy. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of just did this on a whim, and I picked up my camera and I was like, just in case this comes out really nice, let me go ahead and record this. So I probably will end up changing this. This is not an official look. I just wanted to test it out. But I went ahead and I primed my face with the e.l.f. Powergrip primer that has niacinamide, and then I'm gonna lay my brows down with the NYX brow gel. And guys, if you have any tips, like if you already have a no foundation makeup routine, let me know. I know I'm more than likely going to tweak this again until I get it right to something that I like, but this was just, I'm testing something out. I wanted to see how fast I can get this done, especially with having to get my son up in the morning to go to school. I wanted to find something that I can possibly just throw on if I do have like a cute brunch date in the morning. Now I'm going in with my Timeless Beauty concealers. I'm going to go in with two shades. I'm going to go in with one that's actually my skin tone, and then I'm going to go in with one that's slightly brighter just because I want a nice bright under eye, because these mommy designer bags are giving me a run for my money. If you know me, then you know this is completely out of the norm for me. I am a full glam girly. I like to use all my products, from concealer, setting powders, foundations, blushes, all of that. I do not spare none when I am doing my face. And I'm so sorry, you guys, if you hear my kids in the background. My son Cameron, he mad about Lord knows what, so he's screaming, and I'm not finna go find out why, because I know ain't nothing wrong with him. He just mad because he always mad, and I don't got time because he gonna make me mad, and then we just gonna be two mad people. I think my daughter's actually upstairs yelling at him, telling him to shut up, which she needs to stop telling him to shut up, because girl, you're going on 2. What do you mean shut up? Like, what? Anyway, I'm going in with the ColourPop. Yep, there it is again. I'm going in with the ColourPop brush, and I will put everything in the description. Like I said, I kind of just picked up things as I went. I could tell you all the makeup products, but as far as the tools, well, at least with these brushes, I'm not completely sure, so I'll go back and tell you. But I'm going in with this ColourPop brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending out my concealer. And I'm going in that angled manner because I wanted a lifted look, because like I said, these mommy designer bags, it's time for her to get some, you know, some care with them. Got to take it back to the designer bag people so they can, you know, just go back in and detail it, because and then on top of that, I am really bloated. Like, it's that time of the month for me, so it's just like, okay, we gotta find a way to slim out this face. So after I blended that out, which it looks really good, like honestly, I could have just set this and been done and just had this nice concealed look. It looked so good. But me being me, you know, I always do the most, so I had to go back in and make sure that I got all the areas to make sure it was a seamless blend, because that band was in the way, and I'm not trying to let somebody was just like, girl, it like somebody just stopped your makeup right here. Like, it looks dumb. So then I'm going in with this jelly like lip and cheek blush or tint. It's by Milk, but I thought it was really cute. It also had like this jello texture, which I thought was really cool, and I really packed it on because I think this is meant for a minimalistic look. So I packed it on just to make sure I'm getting the most out of my blush. And then I'm going in with this setting brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just blending that out and slightly putting it in my concealer as well as in that lifted area, just because I like a high cheekbone, and also I just want their blush placement is just top tier. After I got that blush on, I went back in with the same brush that I used to blend out my concealer, just to buff out the edges of that blush, because I did not want it to have a harsh stop. And now I'm going to go in with the Miss A concealer. I believe this is in the shade like D2, and I'm going to use it as like my bronzer slash contour, just to add some depth back to my face. And then I'm going to go in with my angled brush, I think it's by Morphe, and I'm going to blend everything out and make sure everything looks cohesive. By the way, also, I'm starting like a new series on my channel. I want to give you guys more of like a peek into my life, if you guys care to watch it. I know you guys are really here for my makeup tutorials and hair tutorials, but I just want to start giving you guys a little bit more of who I am. I feel like you guys know I do makeup, I do hair, but like I would imagine you kind of want to know like who I really am, like as a mom, wife, you know, creator, just stuff behind the scenes that I don't normally show. So I figured I'm gonna start this new series, and I'm gonna kind of treat it like a reality TV series. So if you're interested, stay tuned on my channel. Be sure to subscribe and everything, just so you guys can keep up with this, because I really feel like I'm gonna do my big one with this, and I feel like it's gonna be really entertaining and really insightful too. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for it. You will see it on a playlist. It'll be a new playlist on my channel. But I am going in with the Makeup Revolution Banana Setting Powder, and now I am just really defining my nose area. I haven't done this in so long, and I normally don't do it because I feel like it's too much product, but I just wanted to see if I could still really do it. Now for the long part, I'm going to go in with the NYX MicroBrow pencil. This is in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm not even going to completely fill it in. I'm just going to kind of add some more fluff to my brows. As you can see, I don't really have much of them, so I'm really just adding some more like hair-like strokes to my brows and creating a fluffy brow, because I kind of wanted this look to be subtle. I won't even say natural, because you're gonna tell that I have on some kind of makeup, but I didn't want it to give like full glam. Like I wanted it to give like soft, but not soft glam, like neutral soft, natural soft. Yeah, one of those. So that's why I'm opting in for this kind of brow. Then I'm gonna go in with the same concealer that's around my skin tone, and I'm going to just carve out the base, and then you're gonna see me blend it out. I'm not even gonna take it all the way down. I'm really just cleaning up the brow so it looks like your girl is fresh off or fresh out of that appointment with getting her brows done. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in and with a foundation brush. There's no foundation on it, because I know it's like, girl, you just said it's a no foundation tutorial. It's no foundation on this brush. I'm just using the brush to brush off the setting powder that's on my nose, because honestly that was just the brush that was closest to me. So I was just like, oh, okay, cool, yeah, I'll use that. But like I said, I'm buffing out that brow and I'm brushing off this setting powder. And then I'm about to spray my face with a matte setting spray. I did have a natural dewy finish one, but as an oily girl, because I didn't set underneath this makeup, I didn't want my oils to latch onto that setting spray and then I just look oily. Didn't want that, so I'm going in with a matte setting spray. And then I think at some point I even went in with the matte setting spray and then the Milk Hydro Grip, just because I didn't want it to look too flat. To set my blush, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Halo Sculpt palette, and I'm going to go into Juicy Juicy, and I'm going to set that liquid blush that I used, and then I'm going to tone it down with that same brush that I used that has some setting powder on it, just so it's not over the top. Then I think this is the Smashbox mascara as well too. I really do like this one. It's not gonna lie to you guys, it's not my fave, but it was kind of just right there because I could not find the one that I wanted to use, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna be putting on lashes. And then I'm going with the Smashbox, like it's like a bold black liner, and I'm just putting that on the bottom just because I wanted this look to still have some glam to it. And I just feel like a dark liner just adds the extra flair that you need for like a natural soft look. And then I put on some lashes. These are by Ardell, and I like these just because they weren't too over the top. I didn't want over the top lashes because I just felt like it wasn't going to look right for this look. And then now I'm going in with the ColourPop So Juicy Lip Plumping Liner. Ooh, that's like a tongue twister. And I'm going to line my lips. I don't remember which shade this was. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. I be having so much stuff sometimes that I get confused on the names. So I'm like, I'm not going to sit here and try to tell you a name when I really don't remember. Oh, but that one, what I just used, that was in the nude lippy sticks, and that was in the shade Sure Thing. I do remember that one. And then the other lipstick I just used is just it's from something from Timeless Beauty. It's unreleased. Now I'm going in with the Praline Butter Gloss by NYX on my top lip, and then I'm going back in with the So Juicy Lip Plumping Oil by ColourPop, and that one was in the shade Panda, and I'm doing that on my bottom lip. This is pretty much it for the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, subscribe, stay on my channel though, don't go anywhere. Find another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.